Why does your scanner show the P0949 engine code? What does it mean? P0949 is a diagnostic trouble code for Auto Shift Manual Adaptive Learning Not Complete. This engine code indicates that this means the Transmission Control Module, TCM, has not completed its required learning procedure, which can lead to improper gear shifting and potential vehicle performance issues. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. TCM issues. Auto Shift Manual switch problems. Wiring and connector damage. Transmission fluid issues. Improper calibration or learning procedure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford's models like the Mondeo and Focus. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.